if w equal to f of z be complex function, this is the single valued function in region S. Its derivative defined as f dash z limit del z tends to 0 f of z plus del z minus f of z by del z. Here w equal to f of z be complex function. This is the single valued function in a complex plane and in any region S. Then the derivative of f of z is defined as f dash of z equal to limit del z tends to 0 f of z plus del z minus f of z by del z. Now we know that analytic function at a point. Analytic function at a point. At a point. A single valued function f of z, a single valued complex function f of z is said to be analytic at z naught. It is if it is differentiable, in the neighborhood of z naught, where z minus z naught less than del. That is, f of z is a single valued complex function. It is analytic. It is analytic at z naught if it is differentiable in the region, in the neighborhood of z naught, where z minus z naught less than del. That is, f of z must be analytic at z naught if it is differentiable in some region in the neighborhood it is differentiable. That is, f of z is analytic at z naught if in the neighborhood it is differentiable. It is differentiable in the neighborhood of z naught, where z minus z naught less than del. Now we can say definition of analytic function. a single valued complex function f of z is said to be analytic in the domain D if it is analytic every point in the domain that is f of z is analytic function. It is analytic every point in the domain. It is analytic every point in the domain D. Then f of z is called analytic function. Singular point. Now we know that singular point. If f of z fails to analytic at z0, but in every neighborhood at least one point where it is analytic. That is if f of z fails to analytic at z0, but in the every neighborhood at least one point where it is analytic. That is f of z is not analytic at z0, also analytic in the neighborhood at least one point. That is called z0 is singular point. Now we can try to example a singular point. If f of z equal to 1 by z is analytic except z equal to 0, then z equal to 0 is singular point. Example. Another example, f of z cube plus 1 z square plus 4 z minus 1 is analytic except z equal to 1 z equal to plus minus 2y. That is z equal to 1 z equal to plus minus 2y singular point. Finally, we say that whose point the function fails to analytic and the neighborhood of this point, at least one point, is analytic, then the point is called singular point. Laplacian. Laplacian. Del square equal to del square by del x square plus del square by del y square is called Laplacian. Laplace equation. Laplace equation. This is the importance. We know that we should also know that Laplace equation del square psi del x square plus del square psi del y square equal to 0 implies that del square psi equal to 0 is called Laplace equation, where psi is real valued function. If psi is real valued function, then del square psi equal to 0 is called Laplace equation. Now we discuss harmonic function. If a function u x y is a real function, if it is satisfied, Laplace equation, then uxy is called harmonic function. Then we know that conjugate harmonic function of harmonic function. If uxy is a harmonic function, then it is satisfied the Laplace equation. Also, v is another function such that u plus iv is analytic. U is harmonic, then u is satisfy Laplace equation. Then another function vxy such that u plus iv is analytic, then v is called harmonic function. Again, v is called conjugate of u. Finally called vxy is conjugate harmonic of u. You noted that u plus iv is analytic, then u is conjugate of v, also v is conjugate of a. You understand that we discussed this time derivative of a complex function, analytic function, singular point, harmonic function, and conjugate harmonic function. Now we try to understand Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cauchy-Riemann. Cauchy-Riemann equation. Try to understand Cauchy-Riemann equation. Del u by del x equal to del v by del y. Del u by del y equal to minus del v by del x is called Cauchy-Riemann equation. We should know that the function, that is theorem 1, necessary condition necessary condition, that is a function f of z is analytic at z, then it is satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equation. That is, when the function satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equation, it is analytic function. Then we can say that a function is analytic, then it is satisfied the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Now we solve a problem. For whose value of z the function w equal to e to the power iv w equal to u plus iv, where z equal to e to the power minus v cos u plus I sin. For whose value of z the function w equal to z failed to analytic. For whose value of z the function w equal to u plus iv failed to analytic, where z equal to. Now solve this problem. Let's try. Given z equal to e to the power minus v cos u plus I sin u, then z e to the power I square v into e to the power iv. e to the power I square v plus iv I v plus iv u plus iv that's mean w. Now we have iw equal to long z, w equal to 1 by I long z, w equal to minus I long z, dw by then dw by dz equal to minus I by z, where z tends to 0, dw by dz tends to infinity, or z equal to 0, dw by dz equal to is infinity. Then we say that f of z